girl Delisha B here again today with another synthetic wig video. If you like these videos, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button below. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these videos. I'm coming out with some real good synthetic wig videos. In 2021, I'm getting back where I used to be. I'm getting back in the wig game. You know, y'all know I'm not really in the wig game in real life. I just, you know, wear my hair straight, but on YouTube I'm in the wig game. So today we have Outre melted hairline in the style Divine. What color is it? Oh, I gotta pull the thing out. Let me tell y'all the color. It's in the color DRFF Ginger Mahogany. And y'all, I'm excited. I haven't done a synthetic wig review in like months, since like the beginning of the pandemic. And if y'all are not new to my channel, y'all know my beginning stages of this channel were built on synthetic wigs and clothing hauls, and I just, you know, I kind of strayed away. But today we back, honey, we back. But y'all, I have to get it because the hairline looks like it's real flaky. And honestly, everybody else make these melted hairline wigs look like they're talking about something. So let's get into this wig. Let's put it on and see what it's about. Let me let you know if it's anything special you need to know about it. Baby hair is included, frontal effect hairline, no plucking required, redesigned comfort fit, ear contour, and pre-attached wide elastic band. So on the inside, it does give you one of these new style elastic bands to really pull that lace down. Y'all know Delisha B is not going down no synthetic wig. Yeah, it has a super deep part. I'm pretty sure this part is like 6 inches. 2 combs in the front. Come on. Yeah, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. It does have a traditional adjustable band, but of course I'm gonna use this one because it's just more convenient for me. For my lace, I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses No More Blemish powder just to put along the hairline on the inside and on the part on the inside. You cannot change the part on these wigs. It's a set part, so you only have lace going down the actual part. So if you want to like change it, girl, this ain't the wig for you, but I ain't trying to change it, so yeah, that's it.
What, you here working, girl?
I'm gonna leave your ass on my video.
You said who?
I'm gonna leave you on my video.
You gonna do it?
I'm gonna leave your sound on there while you talking to me.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. You can follow me on Instagram at DVNCM.
You're done sweet wig.
Oh God, they color fine.
Hi.
Yeah, they color fine. And your face beat. Them lashes. Make sure they can snap.
I'm leaving your ass on there. Did you go to the store already?
Sure did.
Did you get an onion?
Sure did.
Look at you! Getting what we
I see
need.
she don't need an onion for this cabbage.
How do you know? What?
Cause yeah, y'all, while she over here making videos with her little wig, she cooking us some cabbage to go get baked chicken off of the.
You need to throw it out.
It's trying to do its little thing.
Put it in some hot water.
I'm gonna have to move the things out of the sink first. It's not all divided.
I really just don't like you. Seriously.
It look color cute too. Where is it?
that this wig ain't busting. Like, you see this body right here at the top? Like, girl. So I did kind of like style this side. As you see, I did it, but I didn't do this side just because I really just put these wigs on to show y'all the style of them. But of course you can glue all of it down if that's what you want to do. I just did this side because I like to take my wigs on and off. But if you're somebody who likes to wear your wigs for a couple days, obviously you should glue it down, which I use the bed head spray, or sometimes I use real glue, but honestly bed head spray works perfectly fine. But yeah, the color, are y'all seeing this color? Like the perfect ombre. Like, oh my gosh, I'm telling you, people who try to sleep on synthetic wigs, like, you can't sleep on them. Not in 2021, you can't sleep on them. I didn't glue this down. This is just, can come off right now. And look how flat it is on my head, just without me even having to do nothing. Like, let me zoom y'all in so y'all can see. It's not even like this side. I kind of, you know, I just use my mousse and put it down. But over here, like, of course, if you lift it up, it come up. But do you see how flat this is? You can't tell me this ain't lit. Like, you can't. Period. Like, look how flat it is. Even if you wanted to like wear it back, yo, flat, flat. Oh my gosh, this is like another level. Good. I have no complaints so far. It's shedding a little bit, like obviously it's shedding, but I did cut the lace and I kind of like faked like I was gonna pluck it, but you really don't need to pluck it. The only way you might need to pluck it is if you really want to do some extreme baby hair, which I don't normally do that. I like it to look kind of natural, so I don't normally do a lot of baby hair. But if you want to hit a couple baby hair up in here, you want to do the baby sideburns, obviously you can do that. But honestly, with minimal work, like what I just did, you can get it to look like this. Like, it can look this good. Minimal effort. Y'all, let's give this melted hairline divine a hand clap, because y'all did that, Outre. You did that. Like, how do you see how flat this wig, how flat it is to my head? Like, I feel like if I wanted to do a little braid, I could like tie it down, pin it over here. I'm wearing this wig. I'm wearing this, and that's on cute. I'm wearing this, and the curls are like a big barrel curls, which y'all know I love. This is my style of curl. I don't like really tight curls. So this type of curl is right up my alley. It's just enough curl to give it some body, but it's not like super curly. But I'm just so impressed by the hairline. The hairline actually is really good. And I'm really shocked at how flat it is. Like, I'm shook. It's giving, I went and got my hair done at the beauty shop. It's giving, I paid a lot of money for this color. Like, it doesn't even look synthetic. I feel like a lot of my older synthetic wigs, like from a couple years ago, like they look synthetic. But this one, even the hair, and sometimes I'm worried about like color synthetic hair, because I'm like, this color is probably gonna look fake. But this, honestly, it's a go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more synthetic wigs, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Not just synthetic wigs, but hair videos in general. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I do have a couple more over here I'm about to film for y'all this week, so you can have more to choose from. But if you get your hands on this wig, make sure you can tell me down below in the comment section if you like it or not. And let me know if you like to glue your synthetic wigs down, because I was debating like actually putting it on my head, but I like to give y'all a realistic view on these synthetic wigs. I personally would not glue down a synthetic wig to my head. I could show y'all how to do it, but would I do that in real life? No, I don't glue no wigs down to my head, because I want to take that shit off at night. The most I'm gonna do is mousse my baby hair down using my tropical roots, which works really well, and it's not coming up. As you can see, it's down really good. And I would maybe glue down the ear tabs, but other than that, it's super flat. Like, you don't even have to, like, you really don't have to you don't have to adhere it up here unless you're just scared somebody gonna snatch it, girl. Now if you're scared somebody gonna snatch your wig, you might want to adhere it down, but ain't nobody snatching my wig because I'm grown. So this is good enough for me. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the